Hi boys and girls. Okay, so for Wednesday's math, we're in our Envision's math book. We are on lesson 14-3. Now this is a lesson that if we were at school, I would have strings and popsicle sticks and paper clips and different pieces of paper, different strips of paper. We would have so many materials and we would actually build our own shapes. We would build a circle, we would build a square, we would build a rectangle. It would be a really, really fun lesson. But since we're teaching from home, I can't give you all of that fun stuff. I can't give you the string and everything. So this is where, if you have fun craft things at your house, you are more than welcome to use them for this lesson. If you don't really have much and you maybe have a crayon or some markers or something like that that you can use to color and draw your shapes, that's what I want you to do too. So this lesson tells us about using different materials to make a shape. Pretend I had a shoestring. If I had a shoestring, I could stretch it around, make the ends meet, and I would make a circle. If I had 4 popsicle sticks, I could line them up. All 4 sides would be equal, and I could make a square. If I had, let's say, maybe some stickers, I could put some stickers in some rows, and I could make a rectangle. 2 sides would be equal, top and bottom, and the sides would both be equal. So I want you to use whatever you have at your house, whatever your mom and dad tell you that you're allowed to use. If you don't have much or you don't want to use much, craft things like that, just draw your shapes with any color, pencil, crayon, marker, anything. So it says 2D shapes can be made using all kinds of materials. That means any kind of thing you can make a shape out of. You have to think about how that shape looks. Like, okay, I know a circle is round, doesn't have any flat sides, so what could I use to make a circle? Or maybe you're thinking about a square or a rectangle or a triangle. So I know that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices, 3 corners. So maybe if I took 3 straws and connected them, I could make a triangle. And that would be my shape. So for today, on page 760 and 761, it says make a square using materials that your teacher gives you. You can glue or tape the square in this box. Then it also tells you to do that for a circle and a rectangle. So here's where you can just draw them with any color you want, make them fun, make them pretty, or if you want to actually use things at your house and you're allowed, you can tape them in your book. Now, on page 761, number 4 says, Carlos made these shapes below. And do you know what Carlos said? He says they're both squares. Is Carlo correct? Nope, leave it. Is Carlos right? I want you to tell me if he's right and why or why not. So make sure you draw your square, your circle, and your rectangle in your book. And if you can tell me if Carlos is right or if he's not right. Maybe Carlos needs to learn his shapes a little bit better. I hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday, and I will see you all tomorrow. We are almost done.